What are you doing?
Dirty hands.
Dirty hands?
Yeah.
Did you wash them?
Yeah.
Are they clean?
Apple.
All clean? Show Mommy how you wash your hands.
Do.
You use soap?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Is that where the towel goes?
Yeah.
Okay. Are your hands clean now?
Yeah.
Good. Dirty hands?
Mom. Mom.
Yes?
Stay.
Stay? Okay.
Hey, Mama! I'm
Okay, I'm staying. Okay, don't put your dirty hands on me. Jay, don't switch the light off, Jay. No, wait, don't switch the light off. Cameron's gonna wash his hands. Cameron's gonna wash his hands because they're dirty. Very good. Maybe Jay's hands are dirty.
Are they dirty?
Yeah.
They do. They do.
Soap, yes. Jay's using